She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey guys, it's 𝐅𝐨𝐱 and I'm back in a video. Today guys, I'm going to be doing the Foxy Eye trend tutorial. So I'm going to be doing that guys with my liquid eyeliner. I've been seeing this circulating. Maybe I'm too late. Maybe I'm not too late. I don't know, but I'm going to do it and I cannot wait to show you guys how it's going to turn out. So let's get on with it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I've been growing. Thank you to the new subbies. Welcome to the family. I'm gonna be a consistent queen. Trust and believe you guys, and thank you so much. So yeah, let's go. So guys, first things first, I've done my eyebrows, I've based my eyelids, and I've done my face. As you can see guys, you know, I got some foundation, I got perfect skin. So anyways, the first things first, what I'm going to start with, this liquid eyeliner from Essence. It is so affordable, you guys. I truly love it. So this Essence Super Loss, guys, what I love about it, it is 18-hour waterproof, and I've been using it forever, and it's precise, it's affordable. I can go on and on. So anyways, let's just get on with the Foxy Eye. Disclaimer, I've seen, first of all, the Foxy Eye trend, apparently it was by Bella Hadid. Is it Bella? I don't know. But guys, let me keep it 100. Like, the first person I saw doing that Foxy Eye makeup look is Sandra Deluxe. But anyways, I really hope I'm saying her name properly. She is the original OG. I'm just saying. Period. I'm just putting it out there. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, let's just carry on. So guys, I want to start. Just to be precise, because I don't want to F this up, I am going to do the dots method. So I'm going to do a dot here, a dot here, outer corner here, here, and obviously I'll put it out. So I'm going to do this, put it together. Guys, as I said, I did do an eyeshadow base, so I feel like mine is going to be matte thick. People's ones is usually super thin. Now I'm just gonna fill it in. It's quite easy. Just have a steady hand. Don't be like moving all over the place. Use the pinky as your anchor. So I'm just gonna fill it in and just hush it right now. Guys, you can see this is the eye, and if I want to sharpen it more or I want to remove any imperfections, I'm going to conceal it. And yeah, I feel like it's popping. Just gonna do touch-ups guys, and then I'll be back doing the other eye. Guys, I'm doing the other side. I'm gonna put dots again because I do not want to mess this up. For real. I'm gonna just put it there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put it together. Guys, I'm a left hand, so if I do anything on my right hand side, it kind of becomes really messed up. But I'm praying that I don't mess this up. I feel like my practice, because I've done like wing liners for so long, has really helped me. So, oh my gosh. I'm not that bad. Just have to fill it in now. It's not bad, hey? Thought I needed like a lot of concealer on this side, but I don't. So I'm just filling it in the color. Filling the color in, you guys. Guys, I feel like with this, you have to be really precise, you guys. I don't wanna lie. Have a steady hand, don't rush into it, literally. If you don't rush into it, you take your time and you kind of know what you're doing, you are good to go, sis. So to fix any imperfections, I'm using my Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, LA Girl Cosmetics. I'm gonna use my flat brush just to be more precise. So guys, now I'm just gonna clean up anything that I didn't like about this look. So guys, off camera I basically concealed to my preference, and yeah, basically this is the foxy eye. It's quite simple. So now I'm going to be adding on some lashes, and yeah, I'll just finish up the look. Basically I'll put like some highlighter, lipstick, and maybe faux freckles, because I haven't done faux freckles in a long ass time. So yeah, so guys, I'm just putting these lashes on. Is putting these lashes on. Oh, they came on really quickly, you guys. They usually don't do this to me, but they came on fast. They came on super fast. Oh my gosh. Oh, oops. I literally put the middle and then the rest I'm putting with my hands. That's what I do, you guys, literally. Oh my gosh, this lash is like, I need new lashes, you guys, literally, like mink lashes. For real, for real. Okay guys, I'm gonna sort these lashes probably off camera and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a couple of faux freckles. You need to have a light hand, literally, like the lightest hand ever, or else you're gonna mess up. Just have a light hand and keep on racing. The freckles are gonna be here. Some will be lighter, some will be darker, so just all depends. I think I'm going already now. Ah, so cute. So now guys, I'm using my Essence Lash Princess. I'm just coating my natural lashes at the bottom. So guys, just to make this eye look pop, I'm gonna use this red liquid eyeliner on the bottom. I'm gonna do that. So as you can see, when it dries out, I'll smoke it out with like a brown. Oh, it makes it really pop. Okay, so guys, I got a 𝐓𝐢𝐿 𝐄𝐲𝐞 palette from this local cosmetic shop, guys, from Instagram, called 𝐓𝐫𝐞𝐳, you guys. They sent me this amazing 𝐓𝐢𝐿 𝐄𝐲 palette, you guys. It is just so beautiful. And yeah, guys, let me just open it for you guys. Ooh. Package, honey. See that? You see that? You see that, sweetheart? Sweetheart. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh. Ooh, look at them colors. Guys, I will link the shop, Instagram shop, in the description box, so do check them out. I'm gonna put this red, guys, just a bit, just to smoke out my waterline, like this shade. So yeah, guys, I cannot wait. Probably on my next look, I will do a full-on swatch on this 𝐓𝐿 𝐄𝐲 palette, and I'm gonna do like a full review on it. So yeah, guys, don't forget to check out 𝐵dazzle_collects. They literally sent me this beautiful 𝐓𝐿 𝐄𝐲 palette, and I have been loving it, you guys. So yeah, I'm just making it out. This is quite a fluffy brush. And then I'm gonna put a bit of red here, just to top it. Let's see, add something like here, like not too much. It's gonna like fade away, like a faded away red, not too strong, because this is where the concentration is. So it's gonna be like, oh, you see, it's just a tint of red, guys. This palette is highly pigmented. I don't know why 𝐓𝐿 came through with this palette. I don't want to lie. Oh, you see that, you guys? Guys, this is a shimmer shade. I'm gonna use it as a highlighter. I want to see how it's gonna look like. Guys, you know what it reminds me of? Rihanna's Gold Digger highlighter. Not that I've used it, but I've seen it on a couple of MUAs on YouTube. Guys, this is insane. This yellow tint. I'm just gonna put it, okay, I'm just gonna carry on with my fan brush off camera. So guys, I'm using my LA Girl setting spray. Okay, that's a bit too much. And I'll use it on. Guys, this is a look. Like, I don't know, this is kind of fire look or whatever. Comment down below, guys, if you really like this look. I'm here for it. It's giving me baddie vibes, like baddie. Don't mess with me or else your neck will be, actually your head will be on the floor. It's giving me, oh my gosh, what is this? Billy, no. This look, guys, oh my gosh. Okay, I remember now the movie. It's giving me Kill Bill vibes, like that Asian girl. I'm gonna put a photo like somewhere here. Literally, like I feel like I'm just like, you know, a girl from Tokyo and I'm about to beat your ass. Okay. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys really enjoyed it. I did a foxy eye tutorial with a twist of red, and I feel like I'm that girl from Kill Bill. Like, do not mess with me or else your head will be on the floor, and that's on period, sis. I'm joking, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you to the people who've been subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate you guys. More content is going to be coming, you guys, your way. So don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next one. Bye.